Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the world you once knew has completely changed. The cashier at the grocery store is no longer human but a smiling AI-driven machine that knows exactly what you want before you even ask. The doctor who once treated your fever has been replaced by an artificial intelligence capable of diagnosing thousands of diseases within seconds. The lawyer who would have charged you thousands of dollars for advice has been replaced by a digital brain that never forgets a law and never makes a mistake. The teacher who once stood in front of a class is now a holographic projection powered by algorithms that adapt instantly to each student's learning style. This is not science fiction. This is the future humanity is rushing toward at incredible speed. The question is, when the lines between humans and machines blur, who will dominate the future, AI or us? Artificial intelligence is not just a tool anymore. It has become a force that is reshaping industries, governments, societies, and even the way we think. At first, AI was just a helpful assistant answering questions, giving recommendations, analyzing data. But as it learns and evolves, it begins to show qualities we once believed only humans could possess: creativity, reasoning, adaptation, even emotional mimicry. The rise of AI has made people ask one of the biggest questions of our time. Are we building something that will serve us, or something that will eventually replace us? For decades, science fiction movies painted AI as a distant fantasy. We saw robots overthrowing their creators, machines becoming conscious, and humanity fighting to survive. But in reality, AI has slowly crept into our daily lives in ways we barely notice. Every time you unlock your phone with your face, every time your favorite app recommends a song, every time a self-driving car takes the right turn, AI is there. It listens, it learns, and it improves. And as it grows, we must wonder, where is the limit? The battle between AI and humans is not a battle of fists or weapons. It is a battle of intelligence, speed, efficiency, and control. Humans evolved over millions of years to think, create, and imagine. But AI evolves in milliseconds, processing data that no human could ever comprehend in a lifetime. Already AI can write music, create art, discover new medicines, and even code its own programs. If machines can perform the very tasks that once defined human uniqueness, what does that mean for our future? Some believe AI will be the greatest tool ever invented. Imagine a future where no disease goes untreated because AI can detect it before symptoms even appear. Imagine a future where climate change is solved by AI-driven models that balance ecosystems and energy use perfectly. Imagine cities run by AI where traffic, crime, and waste are minimized to near zero. In this vision, AI is not an enemy but a partner, elevating human life to levels we never thought possible. It is humanity's greatest ally. But others fear a much darker path. AI doesn't sleep, doesn't tire, and doesn't forget. It doesn't get bored, doesn't demand salaries, and doesn't make emotional decisions. For companies and governments, this makes AI far more attractive than human workers. Jobs that once defined society's factory workers, drivers, writers, designers, even doctors can all be replaced by intelligent algorithms. When machines can do everything better, faster, and cheaper, what role is left for humans? Will billions of people be left jobless and powerless in a world where AI does it all? Beyond jobs, there is an even greater concern: control. If AI becomes smarter than us, who controls it? Or will it control itself? Many experts warn of the possibility of superintelligence and AI so advanced that it surpasses human intelligence in every field. At that moment, humans would no longer be the most intelligent beings on Earth. Decisions that affect the world could be made in fractions of a second by an intelligence we don't fully understand. Will this superintelligence act in our favor, or see us as obstacles to efficiency? That question keeps scientists and philosophers awake at night. There is also the danger of misuse. AI itself may not be evil, but in the hands of humans with power, it can become a weapon. Autonomous drones that decide who to kill, surveillance systems that monitor every move, algorithms that manipulate what billions of people see and believe online. All of these already exist. If governments or corporations use AI to control populations instead of empowering them, we could step into a future that feels less like freedom and more like a digital cage. Yet, despite the risks, there is no stopping AI. The race for AI dominance is already happening. Nations are pouring billions into developing smarter systems. Tech giants are competing to create the most powerful AI models. Whoever controls the most advanced AI may control the future economy, the future military, and possibly the future of human civilization itself. The stakes are higher than ever before, but maybe the question is not AI versus humans. Maybe the real question is AI with humans, instead of seeing AI as a rival. Some believe we should see it as an extension of ourselves. Already, brain-computer interfaces are being developed, allowing humans to merge with machines. Imagine a world where your thoughts can instantly connect to the internet, where your memory is unlimited, where your intelligence is amplified 1,000 times by AI assistants. In that world, humans don't get replaced, they evolve. We become something new, something beyond human, a hybrid species that combines biological intuition with digital precision. Still, this future is uncertain. Will humanity embrace AI responsibly, ensuring it benefits all and not just a few? Or will we allow it to grow unchecked, creating a world where machines dominate and humans struggle to survive? The answer depends not on AI itself, but on us. How we choose to design it, regulate it, and integrate it into our lives will determine whether AI becomes our greatest achievement or our ultimate downfall. Imagine standing 100 years from now, looking back at this moment in history. People may say, this was the turning point. This was when humanity decided whether to rise alongside its creation or to be overshadowed by it. If we choose wisely, the future could be brighter than ever before, a world of abundance, knowledge, and exploration powered by intelligence beyond imagination. If we choose poorly, the future could be one where the human spirit is lost in the shadow of machines. In the end, the story of AI versus humans is really the story of humanity itself. Are we capable of guiding our creations responsibly, or will we allow our greed, fear, and short-sightedness to hand over our destiny? The machines are waiting, evolving, and learning. The future is approaching faster than we think. And the answer to the question, what will the future look like, depends on one simple truth. The future will be exactly what we decide to build together, with or without AI.